Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your unlimited plan. Make sure tethering or hotspot is allowed. Insert the 4G-capable SIM, update phone firmware, and charge the battery. Next, enable mobile data and set the preferred network to 4G or LTE in settings. Once done, restart the phone to register on the network. These steps ensure you're on the right plan and that the device is configured to use full 4G speeds before moving to detailed setup. Now configure APN settings using the exact values your carrier provides. Incorrect entries block data. Enable the Wi-Fi hotspot or USB tethering option if your plan permits. Make sure a password protects the hotspot. Switch on Data Saver and restrict background data for non-essential apps so critical tasks get priority. Also choose 4G only or LTE preferred network mode in advanced settings. This reduces drops to slower networks and keeps your connection consistent while you use unlimited. Finish by opening your carrier's app to monitor usage, verify unlimited status, and set alerts for any plan changes. If data won't connect, reset network settings and re-enter the APN values. This clears corrupted profiles. Make sure to reboot after changes and confirm tethering is enabled. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your account info and device IMEI so they can check provisioning. Quick tip: if you see no service, toggle airplane mode on and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.